as you read in the title, first I quickly get a caffeine kick just for some wake-upness, really. And then I go upstairs and pick the room I want. It's really hard to do this normally, but I always take this room in the end. And then I have a little bit of a snooze, really. After that, I go over to my computer and I look at some stuff on Amazon. And then I make my way outside to see if there are any kids to adopt, just in case they want to roleplay. Doesn't look like anyone's there today. And if no one's there, I just make my way back inside my house and look at the chat to see if anyone said ABC. And if any kids come late, well, they missed their opportunity. So after that, I go explore a tiny bit in the kids' room because it's fun exploring in kids' rooms. And then I wash my hands because sanitary. And then I watch some TV to end the day pretty much.